Hi. My name is Moyash. When talking about professional vector graphics software, Inkscape comes at the top of the list. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Inkscape software in Windows 10. So, let's begin. Open Google page and search for Inkscape. Here is the official site of Inkscape project, inkscape.org. Click it. I will put the link of this page in the description. Now, go to Download section and click on Current Version. This is the latest stable version of Inkscape when recording this video. Here are all supported platforms. As you see, Inkscape can be installed and run on Linux, Windows, or even Mac OS. Click on Windows. Here, we have two options: 64-bit and 32-bit. I will download the 64-bit version for my PC. Here is the software file in three different formats: exe, MSI, and 7z format. To prevent any problems of running Inkscape in the future, I recommend to download and install the exe file. Download should start in 2 seconds. Here it is. And OK. Download completed. Close browser and let's install Inkscape. Here is the installer file we just downloaded, but let me first show you how to know your Windows version. Open File Explorer. Go to this PC. Computer tab. Then Properties. Here, system type, 64-bit operating system. Close that and close that. Now, let's install Inkscape. Double-click the exe file. Welcome screen. Click on Next. License Agreement. Click I agree. Install options. Keep the default option checked as it is. And I need a shortcut on my desktop, so check that box. Click Next. Choose Install Location. Keep the destination folder as it is. And the installation requires about 500 megabytes on the hard disk. Click Next. Adding shortcuts to start menu. That's okay. Click Next. Here, choose components to install. It is the first time to install Inkscape on this PC. So, it's set by default to install full components. And that's okay. Click Install. And wait for seconds. Here is the shortcut on the desktop. And it is installed now. Uncheck this box. And click Finish. No need for the exe file anymore. So, let's delete it. And open Inkscape by double-click the shortcut icon. This is a quick setup screen for the first time opening Inkscape. You can change few things here about Inkscape appearance, like changing canvas look or apply dark mode for Inkscape. Then click Save. Inkscape is open source, and I recommend you very much to consider donating to Inkscape project to keep this great software alive. Click Thanks. If you don't want to see this screen again, just uncheck this box. I will keep it for now. And click New Document. One last thing to be done here. I will move this toolbar to the top as I used to. From View menu, at the bottom, Choose default instead of wide. And here it is. Now you can draw freely. And let the sky be your limit. Don't forget to subscribe. And consider donating to Moyash on Patreon or PayPal. Thank you for your support. See you next time.